Samsung's Note 9 is set to be a big improvement on the Galaxy S9 if recent leaks are proven to be accurate. Not for nothing, but if Samsung wants the Note 9 to be noticed outside of its niche market of S-Pen-wielding fans, it has to step up its game where it counts, addressing one or more of the long-standing complaints about its otherwise excellent Galaxy top ends. One of these is inevitably the battery size. Chinese manufacturers like Xiaomi, and, lately, Huawei, have been running circles around the big boys Apple and Samsung when it comes to battery life on a charge, mainly because they aren't shy to equip their wares with 4000 mAh packs. The Mate 10 series, and the new P20 entrants have LiPo units of such capacity, and, coupled with frugal chipsets and regular display resolutions, these do the two-day battery wonder that eschew Samsung's flagships, even the newer S9 and S9 Plus. Thankfully, the latest rumors about the Galaxy Note 9 reiterate a previous one, that the phone will sport a larger than usual for the Note line battery pack. While previously we heard that it will be a 3850 mAh unit, today's report claims that Samsung is prepping a 4000 mAh unit, the largest ever on a top-shelf Galaxy, and much larger than the 3300 mAh piece in the Note 8. Other sources are tipping that the Note 9 will come with a 6.4, instead of a 6.3 display, when trying to explain the eventual larger battery pack, but we'd beg to differ. Since the Note 9 is expected to sport the Infinity Display 2.0 design that made a cameo in the Galaxy S9, it should sport slightly trimmed top and bottom bezels, compared to the Note 8, which would explain the rounding towards the higher 6.4 screen diagonal number. Anyways, the Note 9 should also have tougher frame and cover glass than the Note 8, and either in-display finger scanner, or a more orthodox one on the back, depending on which rumors you choose to believe. But this is a rare move for a flagship device from Samsung and, if accurate, will go hand in hand with the new in-display fingerprint scanner. Last month it was rumored that the Galaxy maker was weighing up including the new biometric hardware in the Note 9. For the uninitiated, in-display fingerprint scanners are the next generation of fingerprint readers. The idea is that a sensor is placed behind the display that can read your fingerprint, instead of around the back of the device or crammed at the bottom of the front of the phone, thus reducing display size. Outside of the obvious, there's a possible, additional, benefit to including an in-display fingerprint scanner: internal space saving. It's impossible to know for sure until we see a full device teardown, but the inclusion of the new sensor could be the reason for the Note 9's supposed increased battery size. The Exynos 9810 and Snapdragon 845 go without saying with their second-gen 10nm process, and we might see 6GB RAM 128GB storage as the starting memory combo. As for the camera, we'd be surprised if Samsung has developed something different than the excellent dual S9 Plus shooter specifically for the Note 9, so about the only hard-to-guess part is the battery capacity. If Samsung manages to pull off a 4000 mAh unit, or even a smaller, 3850 mAh piece for the Note 9, it will be a big surprise, and might unexpectedly boost sales for what would otherwise be a mid-cycle update. What do you think?